ACHR stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy? Is it not? Watch this very brief, short 1 minute video till the end to find out. The craziest thing about ACHR is that it's $10.98 and ultimately it's 0.5% up. The way that I'm looking to double down on this thing is very simple. Let's pull down. I mean, I'm the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And ultimately with ACHR, bro, this thing, I'm not trying to brag or anything, but it's just the truth, man. Like, I began when it was 880. I mean, this is when I began trying to long stuff 2 weeks ago, and since then, man, it's just been nice. With all that to say is that unless I see some sort of another double break, I'm not going to look to buy. So, yeah, like, this was a close call, but honestly, if you can even check my Discord, man. Like, it's so simple. You know, so many receipts have been made. With all that to say, I'm just going to be waiting to see what the price is going to give me the rules or not. So yes, I'll continue to keep you updated. It went from freaking 8 to like 14. That's almost a double. Almost, not really, but yeah, that's all I have to say. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.